Hi guys, so in today's video we're actually going to be making this delicious vegetarian palm oil chili instant noodles. First things first, I'm going to be using ramen noodles, and we'll be using the chili flavor. Since this is a vegetarian recipe, ensure it has the vegetarian logo on the pack of noodles. As you can clearly see the vegetarian logo on this ramen pack. And the next thing, oil sauce. Recipes in the description. So bring 1 cup of cold water to boil. The measurement I'm using is 1 cup of cold water to 1 pack of noodles. And then all you need to do would be insert the noodles and allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the noodles is tender and separated. Ensure that you do not overcook it. As we can see, the noodle is tender and it's separated. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to add it into the palm oil sauce. First, you add in the palm oil sauce in a frying pan. Stir it up and allow it to heat for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then you add in your seasoning sauce. So I'm adding the chili sauce that was included in the pack of noodles. So I allowed it to like hot up or to heat for about 1 to 2 minutes. And this recipe is very simple and healthy. Palm oil is rich in vitamins and minerals and is actually good for your health. Also, this sauce includes onions, which is very rich in sulfur as well. So just proceed to add in your noodles and stir properly. So I'm just going to continue to add in the rest of the noodles into the pot and stir it up properly to ensure the palm oil sauce mixes well with the noodles. And it's ready. It's easy, quick, and convenient. I'd like you to leave a comment below if you would be trying out this recipe. And as I said before, the food is ready. Just serve it in a bowl or a plate and enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care and God bless.